Wow, it's been a long time, but welcome back to our channel, the Dubai family, the WAIGANJO'S. It's good to have everyone over here today. And today we are taking you to the famous Stone Mountain. This is actually like a granite dome where it's a good place to take the kids. It's a good place also for you to go there, do some hiking and see some, nice scenarios. And my take one was the one for the ride. At least that was a very nice one. And the train, it's like a railroad. All of those are some of the fun things, and I loved the theater. It was really nice. So all of these things, you can find them in Alana, and this is a good place. You can go relax with the family. You can go if you like walking, hiking. It is a place for everything. I didn't even get the time to use that boat, but maybe next time we will be going over there. So come with me. Let me share with you all what we did today, and it's really lovely place. So if you haven't visited that place, please make sure, and you're in the United States of America, make sure that you go in there, watch it, enjoy, catch those memories, because hey, you never know, you'd love it. Even you'll be able to see much more things that we didn't be able to see. So we have finally arrived at the other side of the mountain, and now we'll be walking inside there to enjoy it. The good thing is you can never starve over there. There are some places that you can have some bites. There are some places you can eat. So this was one of the places that we went over there, spent some time on the mountain, and it was really a good experience. At least the weather was good, nothing wrong, and we really enjoyed the sight. And tell you what, a lot of people were in there coming to enjoy and have that breeze. And it's also a good time to bond with people. You never know, you may get some lovely people. So you go through that entrance and then you go straight in. You can view from a closer view, from a far view, anyhow you like, and you can sit over there, relax. There is no rush. Like, you can go reflect, you want to think your own things, you can still do them over there. And this thing is for your souvenirs. You can make them in that machine and you can get something nice. So just go with me and see some of the things that we saw and we loved them. Let's go that side, guys. Guys, let's go. Let's go carry your stuff. Let's go there. We'll go see their side. I should have taken one of these. Let's go. Keep walking in front. So here we are at the top of the mountain, and it was breezy. There was a lot of wind over there, but we had some good drinks, at least to keep you hydrated over there. And it's a very vast area. It has great sightseeing places, and most people are asking how do you access the place. If you're coming with your car, you can pay just $20 just the same day, or a $40 for the annual. So it depends on how you want to do it. So if you go to these places, that's when you pay something, but if you're just walking, no need to pay anything. So you can also come with your fruit, sit. There are some sitting areas where you can relax with friends. You can have the parties. There are also some secluded places you can rent them for functions. Like, it is really, really, really a good place for all that. So like me, if I knew would do that, I would even have grilled my barbecue, went with them over there, and have tried to have some good time. Also, you can do some parties over there. Like, it's a free place. I've seen people even playing soft golf. You can do loads and loads and loads of things in Stone Mountain. It's a chilling place. The family, they're gonna enjoy. Kids, they have a lot of things to do, and they can do exercise walking in those places, which are really, really nice and secure. That's one thing, that the security is on another level. You would see even the police over there, up and counting to take care of all the citizens over there. So give it a try and come over and see, and you're gonna love it for sure. So we got hungry and decided, hey, let's go and look for something to eat before we go to that before we go to that train and see what we got. So the good thing, everything is within reach. You can just eat wherever you want to eat, about nice food, seafoods. They're still available over there. You can still get whatever you need to do, but we just wanted something that was near the train so that we can be able to see it when it is coming, and run fast towards it and get a seat and go and listen to it was about more than 20 minutes actually, but it was really, really fun. So this was the place that we ate. It was a very cool place, and we loved everything about it. was the end of our tour. Thanks for watching.